What's going on, guys? John Bunch with Bunch's Diesel Performance. We're out on the road today, but back at the shop, we've got a LBZ Duramax in getting an oil change. So we thought while we was doing that, we'll go ahead and bring you guys along and give you the walkthrough procedure of how to do your own oil change. So if you've just bought a truck or whatever the case may be, you want to do your own service, this is going to apply for a 2001 all the way to a 2016 truck. Same filter, same parts, same everything. So guys, we hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll catch you out there.
Our first step is going to be to drain the oil. With our drain pan in position, we're going to take a 16 millimeter socket and break the plug free. Our second step, while we wait for the pan to drain, is removing the oil filter. It is going to be above the drive shaft, and it's going to be the horizontal one that you see. To be able to remove the oil filter, you're probably going to need an oil filter wrench of some type. I have put 4 examples up on the screen. All of these will work. It's really just a preference of which one you like more, but they all will work. We will be putting 15 W40. The brand really doesn't matter. We're going to be putting 10 quarts or 2.5 gallons. So you can either buy 3 of these jugs or you can buy a big 2.5 gallon jug. Oil filter brand also doesn't matter. If you're running the AC Delco, PF2232 is going to be your part number. Because of how the Duramax is designed and the location of the filter, it's going to leak onto your drive shaft some. So we recommend taking some brake clean and just spraying it off and cleaning up the mess so it's not all oily. Next, we're going to want to lube up that O-ring on the filter. If you don't do this, this filter is not going to want to come back off the next time you have to change your oil. With our drain plug cleaned off, we are going to reinstall it. And you just want to get it snug. You don't want to over tighten it because you could potentially crack your oil pan. And if you happen to get oil on your skid plate, you can also use brake clean and clean that off as well. Next, we're going to remove our oil fill cap. It's going to be right in the middle of the engine bay in the front, and we will get us a funnel. And now we will refill the engine with oil. If you're using 3 jugs, you're only going to use half of your 3rd jug. We will put our fill cap back on and tighten it. Now we need to reset the oil life. We're going to turn the key to the on position, and then we're going to fully press and release the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times within 5 seconds. Next, we're going to start the truck, let it run for a couple minutes, look under it, make sure nothing's leaking, and then we're going to pull our dipstick out and check and verify that the oil is reading at the full mark on the dipstick. And that is going to complete our tutorial on how to change your oil. This covers the 2001 through 2016 trucks.